In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Outlook when it's not sending or receiving emails. We understand how frustrating it can be when you're expecting important emails or trying to send a message and Outlook simply refuses to cooperate. So let's walk through a series of steps to help you get back on track. Firstly, let's address the most common culprit, your internet connection. Before anything else, make sure your internet is up and running. A quick and effective way to check this is by opening any website in your browser. If the page loads without any issues, your internet connection is likely fine. If it doesn't, try switching between your Wi-Fi and mobile hotspot to see if that resolves the issue. Alternatively, you might need to restart your router. This might sound basic, but a simple restart can work wonders in refreshing your connection. So go ahead and give that a try if you're experiencing connectivity issues. Next up, if your internet is not the problem, let's restart Outlook itself. Sometimes the application might encounter minor glitches that can prevent it from functioning properly. To do this, simply close Outlook completely. Make sure it's not running in the background. Just ensure it's fully closed before moving on. Once you've done that, open Outlook again and see if it can now send and receive emails successfully. It's surprising how often a simple restart can fix these common issues. These two steps, checking your internet connection and restarting Outlook, are straightforward but often effective solutions to email sending and receiving problems. They target the key elements that Outlook relies on: connectivity and application stability. By ensuring that both are functioning correctly, you're addressing the most typical causes of this frustrating issue. As you follow along with these steps, it's important to be patient and methodical. Each action can potentially resolve the issue, so it's worth dedicating a moment to verify that your settings and connections are optimal. If, after trying these steps, you're still having trouble, there may be deeper issues related to account settings or server-side problems that require further investigation or contact with support. However, these initial steps are the foundation for troubleshooting and will resolve the problem in most scenarios. And there you have it, a straightforward checklist to get Outlook sending and receiving emails as it should. Remember, when dealing with tech issues, it's always best to start with the simplest solutions. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tech tips and fixes. Thank you for watching, and I hope your Outlook issues are resolved swiftly.